The Redmi K80 Pro, launched in China on November 27, 2024, is a powerful flagship smartphone that blends advanced performance with sleek design. Expected to release globally in mid-2025, potentially under the Poco brand, the device features a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for vibrant and smooth visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, it offers up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample storage. The camera system includes a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and a 32MP ultra-wide lens, providing versatility for photography enthusiasts. It is equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery supporting 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging for extended usage with rapid recharging. Running on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, the K80 Pro also boasts IP68 dust and water resistance, making it a durable and feature-packed choice for tech enthusiasts.